Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We have another special, I do believe, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. This will come from XAOSUN. There's their website also, but I'll leave the Amazon link down below and their website. So you can check them out, compare merchandise. This is going to be the, gotta make sure I got it right. Okay, this is 6 feet, 100 watt, fast charge, USB Type-C, nylon braided cord. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. It's been a long weekend. So that's what their specs are right there. So this is really nice. So I took it out of the box already. It's really long. And they got nice little protectors. There we go. So I'll be using this for my daily uploads now. Look at that. It's really nice. Here's a braided cord. Dog can't chew this one, that's for sure. Your cats. This will be a nice tug. I mean, it's definitely covers this, wraps it around. So really cool, guys. Nice stocking stuffers. Great for holiday season gifts or to yourself, since we're all staying at home, working from home. Make it a little easier. Get one of these now. Check them out. I'll have the link down below. It'll be a short video. I don't think I have any. Hold on one sec. Alright, guys. I got the Galaxy Ultra 20 right here. Fits perfect. And boom. Just gotta plug it in. And charges quick. So, I mean, this phone's fully charged right now. But it fits really good. So, like I said, XAOSUN right here on Amazon Prime. And it comes with one of these. You can lock it in good. So, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.